Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. I'm Diana, your trader and analyst. Last week's scorecard for July 4th, 2026. What happened to the stocks we flagged as the week's best setups? Names like COMSYN, IFGLEXPOR, ZENSARTECH, MUXMIRU, how far they ran, which ones tagged their targets, and the exact game plan for the week ahead. Let's grade last week's calls honestly and plan the week ahead. Market backdrop this week. Nifty 50 plus 0.89%, Sensex plus 0.86%, Bank Nifty minus 0.41%, S&P 500 plus 1.70%, Nasdaq plus 1.40%, crude oil minus 4.37%, gold plus 3.89%, US dollar to Indian rupee plus 0.80%. For each stock we flagged, I'll show the entry we called, exactly how much it went up or down, and whether it tagged target 1 or target 2, so you can see clearly which predictions were right and which missed. And for the names that did not move the way we expected, I'll break down why a weak sector, broad market selling, profit booking, or the setup simply failing, and the action to take now: hold and stay patient, book partial, trail your stop, or cut it and move on. Then I'll give the price targets to watch into the coming week. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 7.26% today on 2.1 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. RSI has room to run before it's overbought. Price is holding above its 200-day average. Exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. COMSYN rose plus 7.26% on heavy volume, 2.1x average. The move looks driven by momentum and consumer cyclical flows. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 66, neutral. Support sits near 152.94 rupees and resistance near 200.31 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a consumer cyclical name. Market cap 8.08 billion rupees, PE around 32, revenue growth plus 3%, profit margin plus 7%. Short term, it's above the 186.76 rupees entry, plus 7.26%. Target 1 at 280.14 rupees is plus 40% away, and target 2 at 373.52 rupees about plus 86%. Watch 186.76 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 153.01 rupees and 200.31 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 125.08 rupees to 200.31 rupees, and it's near the 100% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 186.76 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 280.14 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 373.52 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 152.94 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on COMSYN helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts. Link in the description, and comment your own target for COMSYN below. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 5.99% today on 2.4 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. IFGLEXPOR rose plus 5.99% on heavy volume, 2.4x average, with news in focus. IFGL REFRACTORIES Ltd, VM, 540774, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights. Strong domestic growth. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 70, neutral. Support sits near 157.85 rupees and resistance near 221.46 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a basic materials name. Market cap 15.96 billion rupees, PE around 46, revenue growth plus 8%, Profit margin plus 2%. Short term, it's above the 208.95 rupees entry, plus 5.99%. Target 1 at 313.43 rupees is plus 42% away, and target 2 at 417.90 rupees about plus 89%. Watch 208.95 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 178.00 rupees and 221.46 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 123.00 rupees to 303.00 rupees, and it's near the 55% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 208.95 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 313.43 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 417.90 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 157.85 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like IFGLEXPOR. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you do with IFGLEXPOR. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 10.43% today on 3.0 times its average volume. The trend is sideways, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. ZENSARTECH rose plus 10.43% on heavy volume, 3.0x average, with news in focus. ZENSAR Technologies Limited, BM, 504067, Q3 2026 earnings call highlights. Navigating growth amidst. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 69, neutral. Support sits near 425.30 rupees and resistance near 602.65 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a technology name. Market cap 117.03 billion rupees, PE around 15, revenue growth plus 7%, profit margin plus 7%. Short term, it's above the 467.35 rupees entry, plus 10.43%. Target 1 at 701.02 rupees is plus 36% away, and target 2 at 934.70 rupees about plus 81%. Watch 467.35 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 425.30 rupees and 516.10 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 425.30 rupees to 854.76 rupees, and it's near the 21% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 467.35 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 701.02 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 934.70 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 425.30 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on ZENSARTECH or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. That's last week's report card and the week ahead plan. Like and subscribe so you catch next week's setups early. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.